Hello, lovelies. So, this is be a little bit of a different ASMR. So, this is something I normally don't do. It's gonna be kind of like a short video. So, I got these labels of Amazon. I think about a month ago. It is a thank you stickers I've been using for my Etsy and eBay orders, or any other orders I do decide to do, or anything in general that I want to thank the person for. So they look like this. It's a total of 1,000 stickers, but they come in 2 rows of 500 stickers. So I think I paid around $8. I can't remember. If I can think of it or remember, I will put the link down below if you are interested in checking them out. As you can see, of the box, trying to get these open. They do come in a row like this. This one's not being used, but I think tore a piece of it off because they're used to clear sticky to keep the row together. So, but there is the cute sticker. I have been using this row, and it's just a thick, hard, like a toilet paper roll type deal. Tubing metal. So I am doing kind of a stick. After the first one coming off is a little dirty from all my ASMR makeup videos. So I guess this is a 2-in-1 review and ASMR sounds. So these actually stick pretty darn good. Hopefully this month I can do another review. I got a shower gel from Avon that has the CBD oils in it, so I'm kind of curious to see how that is. It's not exactly the cheapest. Let's see what else I can get off of this camera. Kind of looks like an apple. I didn't even plan on that, but there's a cute sticker. The camera's dirty. It needs to be clean. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm lifting it up. I can't. One things I can't handle is sticky stuff on clothing. So. I have a dirty camera. Zoom is from doing makeup ASMR videos. But thank you for watching my video. And I will see you lovelies later. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Check out my links below. I will see you lovelies later.